Hello kids! In this video I want to teach you how to make conversions between the different units of measure that can be used in the metric system of measures. So we are going to use widely this table that I have here in the left on the left side, okay, and the rules that come with it, okay. I am going to use only examples of length, that means centimeters, kilometers, millimeters, centimeters. I already said centimeters, sorry. Um, but I want you to know that it works for any of the physical quantities that you can imagine. Okay, you can do the same for time with seconds, you can do the same for a capacity with liters or mass with grams, okay? You just have to change the base unit, but the way to do it is basically the same. Okay, so what are the rules of this conversion table? Okay, so you know that here in the first column is the prefix and the label. We are not going to use the third column, but this is information that is good to know. But we are going to only use this, and I want you to focus on the colors here, because there is a middle section that is white, and there are two top and bottom sections that are orange, okay. So it's going to be different if you move from white to orange or from orange to white, but it depends on the situation. So here are the rules. So if you are going up in the table, you have to move the comma, the decimal comma of the number, to the left. But if you go down, you have to move it to the right. Okay. Sorry, I went back. Those are the first two rules. But what happens? Be careful, because we are going to go or to change levels. Imagine that we want to convert from decimeters to centimeters. We go down one level. That means that you move the comma to the right, because you're going down one place, only one place, because each level that is white is only one place. But if you are, for example, here in centimeters and you want to get to nanometers, sorry, then you go one place white, but now that you change to the orange, there are three more steps, because each orange is three steps. Now other three steps, okay, so in total one, which is white, other three, in total four, because there's an orange, another three, in total seven, because there's another orange, okay. But you will see it in the examples, okay. So that's it. Remember kids, when you have a natural number, for example the number 3, and you don't see the comma, that means that the comma is here, okay. And there are an infinite amount of invisible zeros after the comma that you can use whenever you need them, even if you don't see them, because they are there. They are just hidden, invisible. And the same happens when you want to move the comma, imagine, to the left, okay. If you want to move this comma to the left, it's going to be here. But what is before the comma? 0, okay. And if you move it another place and you put it here, well, before it's going to be another 0. But let's see it in actual examples. Okay, the first example that I want you to think about is making kilometers to hectometers. Sorry, this kilometers, centimeters to hectometers, okay. Well, we start in centimeters, in this level, okay, the centimeters, and you want to get to hectometers in the H, okay. So by the way, this level is empty because the base unit doesn't have a prefix. It's just the unit that you are using. In this case, our base unit is meters because we are using distance, but you can change it for seconds of time, or for grams, for mass, depending on the situation. In this case, it's distance, so meters, and It is centimeters and hectometers. Okay, so we are here in this level and we want to go to the level of hectometers, which is the h. So you have to go up. So look at the first rule. If you are going up, you have to move the comma to the left. So we know that we have to move it to the left. Okay. How many levels? Okay, we are here, so we go 1 level, 2 levels, 3 levels, and 4 levels. Okay, all of them are white, so all of them are one place to the left. So we have the 3, and the comma is here. Remember. Actually, I am going to make it a little bit more here because we are going to move to the left now. So remember, 4 levels to the left, so the comma is here, and we move it here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The comma is going to be here, but what happens between in this space? So here is a 0, here is a 0, here is a 0, and before the comma you have to put the final 0. So what is the final result? It is 0,0003 hectometers. Okay, we just converted this measure, 3 centimeters, can be written in hectometers as 0,0003 hectometers. Okay, that's our first example. Now let's see an example in which you have to move to the right. So 2,7 kilometers to millimeters. Okay, so we are here in the K for kilometers. Look, kilo, and we want to get to millimeters. Okay, for the milli, m. Okay, so how many places? Look, so we start here. Next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 steps. Where? To the right, because remember, we were going down, and if you are going down, you have to move the comma to the right. Okay, so this is the number, no? 2,7, and we have to move the comma to the right. Sorry, I just remember that here I wrote I did draw this arrow and it was to the opposite way, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so let's go back to this. We have to move the comma to the right 6 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The comma is going to be here. Okay. So what is in between? So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So we erase the comma. I can erase also these lines, and the final comma, since it's on the right, we can also erase it because it's a natural number. So we have no need to put the final comma. Even if you know that it is here, it is only hidden, it's invisible. So our final result is 2,700,000. Okay, so 2,7 kilometers are 2,700,000 millimeters. Okay, we converted from kilometers to millimeters. Okay, now we are going to see 2 more examples, but having to move from the white to the orange. Okay, or from the orange to the white. So let's see what happens. Okay, look, so we are in 2,3 dam. What is dam? Remember, da is for deca. These are decameters. Okay, 2,3 decameters to GM. What is GM? What is the G? The G is for giga. Okay, so you want to convert from decameters to gigameters. Okay, well, so we have to go up. Okay, and going from here, from decameters to gigameters, means that you have to move the comma to the left because you are going up in the table. Okay, so let's do it. Let's count how many spaces. So here we start 1 level, 2 levels, and another level. But look, now that we move to an orange, this one counts as 3, and this one is also going to count as 3. So let's do it again. 1, 2, and 3 more. It's 5, and other 3 is 8. So in total it's 8 places to the left, because remember, we have to go to the left according to this rule. So remember, 8 places to the left. So we have the 2,3 decameters and 8 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So the comma is going to be here. Now we can erase the original comma. But remember, in all of these places are zeros. There's another one here. Sorry. And remember that when we finish with the comma here on the left, we have to complete with another one, because there is no natural part, but we have to put it like that. Let's erase these. So 2,3 decameters are 0,000000023 gigameters. That's the conversion, okay? And now our last example. So we are in centimeters, see, but we have to go, we want to convert it to the PM. And PM, where's the P? Pico, okay? So it's picometers, okay? From centimeters to picometers. So we are here, we want to go right to here, so it's going down. And going down means that you have to move the comma to the right, so to this direction, okay? How many places? Let's count. So we are in centimeters, no? So 1 place here, 3 more places because it's orange, so it's in total 4. 3 more places, so it's in total 7. And 3 more places, it's in total 10. So 10 places in order to get to picometers. 10 places to the right. So we have the 9,1, and we move it 10 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The comma is going to be here. And what is here? What is inside this space? So zeros. That's it. So remember that when we have the comma on the right, we can erase it because it's a natural number. It's just hidden. It is there, but hidden, invisible. So in total, we have, we can say that it is 91 billion. 91 billion picometers. Okay, 9,1 centimeters are 91 billion picometers. And that's how you make conversions in the metric system. Remember, here we used only examples of distance, but you can do it with time, mass, and with any other measure of the international system.